Toyota RAV4, Science 2012. Hello everyone! The windshield does not define hardness on which traces from the wiper's razor quickly remain. By the way, native brush do not do their job well. They do not clean but only smear dirt on the glass. Usually they are exchanged for non-original parts. The door glass is quite thin and rattles on the move larger. Yes, and door sills do not inspire confidence. Even with fully closed windows, dust from the street penetrates into the cabin. However, you don't cease to pay attention to all these little things, such as hard plastic on which there are traces of sharp objects, poor sound insulation and low air conditioning performance. After all, the main units are reliable. Both castle and floors are practically devoid of congenital diseases. They are equipped with a timing chain with a VVT-I phase adjustment system. Moreover, they can painlessly digest the 90-second gasoline. True, the base engine is more demanding on fuel quality, servicemen still advise the 95ths. In addition, after 100,000 kilometers the chain can stretch, which will be announced by clanging sounds and increased engine noise, and this is especially evident in the cold. Officials change the part only completed with tension and damper. Periodically, it is necessary to check the condition of the drive belt, which after 2 to 3 years can become shaggy and do a lot of trouble under the hood. And this perhaps is all the source of castled engines. For prevention, dealers recommend using an injection nozzle cleaner every 10,000 kilometers, and after 40,000 kilometers they offer throttle cleaning. A diesel engine has even fewer problems, however, provided that high-quality oil and fuel are used, as well as timely branded service. Unless after 100,000 kilometers injection nozzles may fail, and problems with the booster fuel pump are expected only after 150,000 to 180,000 kilometers. But the CVT can be called the Achilles heel of the RAV4, although the problems manifest themselves mainly after 100,000 kilometers. If you feel increased nose during its operation, urgently rush to the technical center for diagnostics. The reason is usually cone bearing wear, which causes accelerated wear of the push belt. Worse when the car starts to twitch in motion. This behavior is usually caused by wedging of the pump pressure reducing valve, which gets the wear products of the pusher belt. In this case, it is changed and the working surface of the pulleys is polished. Repair results in a decent amount from 70,000. Again, this background, a manual box and an automatic look like excellent students. Among the bottlenecks of the all-wheel drive transmission, one can note the center clutch that connects the rear wheels when the front wheel slips. Otherwise, it will not fail. Although extraneous noise is not always the result of malfunction. For example, shock absorbers often work on rebounds so that it seems as if the car has run into a hailstone and its wheels have fallen off. In fact, this is just a design feature of the short travel suspension. As for its characteristic malfunctions, the owners most often update the bushing and stabilizer struts, as well as the silent box on the front levers. After 50,000 to 70,000 kilometers, valve bearings and front shock absorbers may need to be replaced. The remaining parts of the run is centenarians. In addition, a wide range of non-original and affordable spare parts is afforded for the crossover. The steering doesn't disappoint either. If the Rafik is not driven on bad roads, the tie rod ends will only look closer to 80,000 to 120,000 kilometers. The relay itself is durable, as however most of the components and elements of electrical equipment. Only a generator rarely lasts more than 6 years. In summer, the performance of the air conditioner is not enough, and in winter the stove does not always work efficiently. Although experts say that it is enough to clean its radiator and the stove will fry for all the money. As you can see, the reliability of the RAV4 is alright. Its only weak point is the variator, which nevertheless is noticeably more reliable than a similar box from most competitors. To avoid problems with this expensive unit, we recommend buying a 2.5-liter modification of a used Rafik, which comes exclusively with an automatic. If you want to save money, we recommend the version with a 2-liter engine and mechanics. If you have or had such a model, share information about what and how it breaks in the comments.